Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha loves makeup. Guess what I got? Guess what I got? Woo! Yes, I got my FabFitFun summer box in the mail. I've had this probably for like a week. Like, your girl never has time to film anymore. Like, literally, I have to like force myself to like stop what I'm doing to film. So I'm gonna film this box today, and then my favorite box. You guys already know my favorite box to film, my Mindful Souls box. I'm gonna film this right after. Yeah, there's not enough time in the day. I really love, having my YouTube channel, but I've literally been struggling having time to post. So anyway, I'm excited to do an unboxing of this box. The last couple of seasons I wasn't too thrilled with my box, but hopefully this box is a lot better. Even though I'm an annual subscriber and I get to pick pretty much my whole box, the last couple of months I didn't really like the choices that I had to choose, but I actually did like a lot of the stuff that we got to pick. So let's dig into my box. If you guys want to know what I got in my FabFitFun box for summertime, then you guys know what to do. Just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so we are going to dig into this bad boy right here. Before I get into my box, I just want to say, welcome to my channel. Just like if somebody came to your house, you want to welcome them. So welcome all. My name is Aisha. I love makeup. I love skincare. I love hair care products. I love any type of beauty products. So you're going to see a lot of that on my channel. I do unboxings. I do hauls. I do you name it. Any beauty content related thing under the sun will be on this channel, and I will be changing things up a lot on my channel because I'm not going to be doing so much, subscription boxes anymore. I'm kind of transitioning out of that because lately your girl's not feeling a lot of subscription boxes. Unfortunately, you would have to watch my other videos to understand why. That's a totally different video. But this box seemed like a very good box, so I'm excited that it's finally here. Let's dig in. So this box is heavy. When you open it up, it looks like so. So before, I don't recall them having flaps like by the box. Oh, the book just fell out, so I gotta show you guys that. But let me try to give you guys a sneak peek. Hold on. So that's what it looks like on the inside, and that's your sneak peek. Alrighty guys, so this was like kind of like my add-on. Let's see what I ordered here. It's from Fox Bay. So did I order? Oh, I think this is like a hair comb type of a thing. Hold on, let's see. Let's see. So this is what I ordered. I actually have something like this from Drybar, but I ordered this because it was rose gold. I have like a obsession with rose gold things. I don't know how well this is gonna work for my hair type. We'll see how it works. I have to, if you guys want to know, just ask me in future videos. I almost knocked myself out. Did you guys peep that? I'll let you guys know in future videos on if it works or not. But excited to try it out. Alright, so I paid $49 for the box. Like I said, I'm an annual subscriber, so we get to pick our choices way before other subscribers who aren't annual. People who get their boxes just month to month, but they don't pay for it all out flat for the whole year. Also, we pretty much get to pick majority of the box. I want to say like 90% of the things. So I got to pick everything for the most part, but sometimes the choices that you get to pick, you're just like, you don't like anything, so you're like, I'll just pick the the least worst thing out of the box, if that makes sense. Nevertheless, this I always want to try. I love whey products. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I use a lot of whey products. I love the whey hair oil. I think I started off with whey with the hair oil. It's amazing. But this is the scalp and body scrub. So let me see. Let me smell it. Oh my god, it smells just like their products. Look at this. I wish this was sugar and you could just lick it, but it's not. It smells so good. I can't wait to use this. I'm very excited for this. Very, very excited for this. If you guys haven't smelled whey hair products, body products, like, what are you waiting for? It smells so luxurious, and when I have this stuff on, people ask me what perfume I have on. I'm like, girl, just some whey hair products. Very nice stuff, so I'm happy to get that. And what is this? So also this is a lifestyle box. So you're not gonna get like all beauty or hair care products. You're gonna get like a little bit of everything. So these were like puzzles and activities. I am doing some traveling for summertime. As a matter of fact, I have a trip coming up. So I thought this would be cool to like do on the plane if I'm bored. So, or just anytime. Like, I do road trips and stuff like that. Weekend getaways. So I'm excited. Ooh, I'm dropping everything today. Excited to have these little things like when I'm bored and I need something to do. Speaking of dropping stuff, I dropped the little booklet that came in the box. So that's a booklet that they gave us. They normally sometimes give stickers, so I got the stickers. And then it should tell you like what you got in your box and things about it. So like everybody's box for the most part should be different because, you know, you can pick and choose what you want for the most part. So this is an example of some of the pages in the book. I'm just going through a couple of pages so you guys get an idea. And then they give you like stuff that you could cook, like recipes, and it's a nice lifestyle magazine as well in conjunction with the box. Alright, so I love candles. Anybody who watches my channel knows I love candles too. Whenever I go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, I always get like a candle. I have so much candles, I don't think I'll ever be able to finish using them, but you know, if there was ever blackout, come and find me. I'll have a candle for each and every one of you guys. So it'll come in handy maybe one day. But this candle is called Lasting Smiles. It's an aromatherapy candle. And I don't remember what it smells like, so we're going to smell it on camera to find out. Oh, it smells nice. So this is what the candle smells like. It smells like... It reminds me, I guess, of like a bathroom smell, like what a bathroom would smell like. It says sea salt and citrus on the candle, so I guess that's what it's supposed to be smelling like. I can't smell the citrus. I definitely smell the citrus in it. Maybe it's a kitchen smell that I'm thinking of. Alright, so that's that. I got a KO body scrubber. I don't recall choosing this, so this must have been like the one thing that they picked for you. Because I definitely would have never chose this. So it's a body scrubber, so I don't even know how you use this thingamabob. It doesn't say how to use it, but I'm guessing what, you put your fingers in it or something? Who knows? I don't know. Oh yeah, maybe this. Maybe, right? Right? And then you just, you know, in the shower. I'm guessing, I don't know, I could be wrong, but that's that. And they always give you like all these miscellaneous coupons and stuff like that. I got a liquid IV in guava. Hydrates faster than water alone. Okay, definitely will use that. I chose this. I remember choosing this, the Fenty Mascara. I love Fenty's mascara. I have like 2 of these not even open yet. And I was like, should I get another one when I already have 2 that haven't opened yet? But the other choices I didn't like. So I'm like, at least I know I like this. So I got another one. But I'm not going to open it because the lifespan starts once you open it. So I'm just not going to open it. I'm going to keep it closed until I get around to my other ones. The next thing I got is a BDB $1 Billion Brows Condition, Color, and Control Brow Kit. So the color I chose, it was one of the dark browns, I want to say. Let's see. I love brow products, so I got, what color is this? Doesn't say, but it looks like a dark brown. Let me see how it looks on my skin tone. Wow, this did not look like the color. This color, as you can see, is ashy on my skin tone. So I'm going to keep this for my kit. This definitely looks like a good color for my kit. So when I do my side gigs, I'll have that. This is a Brow Boost Active Sourcil. Well, what is this for? What is this for? Prime your eyebrows with this product for a smooth makeup application. Add this step to nightly routine to condition your brows. Probably not going to use this. I'm going to add this in my giveaway box. And brow gel. I'll add this in my giveaway box. I mean, I did swatch this. So I was going to say I'll just put this all back in my like a giveaway. If I would have known this color wasn't going to match me, I would have never swatched it. But I guess I'll just put these two because I already swatched this on my hand. But I'll put these two in my box for when I do my next giveaway because I'm probably not going to use these. So no point in keeping them. That was about it. I don't know. Lately, this is just me. And I hate to be like a Debbie Downer about subscription boxes. But lately, I feel like for the price I'm paying, because the box was $49. It wasn't cheap. For the price I'm paying, I'd rather spend $50 on stuff that I want. Because the only thing, to be honest, that I really want out of this whole box, always wanted to try, was this. But, like, the candle's not my cup of tea that I probably would, like, my choice. Like, am I really going to use this? You know, I'm giving this away. I already have 2 of these mascaras. I like the mascara, but I just don't need it now. And by the time I want to use it, it's like, is it going to be dried out? And although I'm happy to have these like little activity things for me to do, it was like the best of whatever was available, but not really excited about it. So I don't know. I don't know. These subscription boxes are not doing it for me. Comment down below and let me know if I'm the only one who feels this way. Maybe I'm just over like my makeup subscription boxes because I still love my crystal subscription boxes that I get. But I don't know. Not that thrilled. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I want to say I still have 2 more boxes with my annual subscription. So we'll see if things get better with the next two boxes that I get to see if I keep it. But this is my second term around. I did 1 whole year, and then now this is my 2nd year of the boxes that I'm getting. That's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel and you love me, you know, you want to support me, then I would say subscribe to my channel. You know, every subscriber counts, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys who subscribe to me. I know every single person who messages me on my YouTube channel. Like, I message everybody who messages me. Like, it really is like a close, tight-knit family. So I love and appreciate each and every one of you guys. And that's really about it. I'll see you guys all in my next video. You guys know I love you guys to pieces. And I'll see you for my next unboxing. Alright? Love you guys. Bye.